Hi friends, good evening. I already started half an hour back from my home. Right now I'm going to my friend's place. Right now I'm going to meet my friend, and he is waiting here in National Highway NH5. So I am going to meet him, and from there we'll roam around and we'll take some beautiful pictures, and I'll post those photos in the end of this video. Uh, you guys, if you're already subscribed to my channel, you guys know I'm interested in photography. So today is Sunday, so I'm going to right now I'm going to take some beautiful pictures, and that's it guys. I'll go right now. I'm near to the highway, so from here just 10 to 15 minutes. This is NH highway, NH5, sorry, NH4. So near to Chennai highway. Video I am doing to show my photography. Every time I used to go to photoshoot for sunrise photos only. Now I am going for a sunset photoshoot. Every time I used to go early morning to take some beautiful sunrise pictures, but this is summer, right? We can't go in the early, we can go in early mornings, but it's very difficult to wake up in the early morning. So right now, that's why I'm today. This time I will take some beautiful sunset pictures. I used to go in this highway when I'm in college days. I used to go in the same way to the college, my engineering time. I think 10 years back. And this video is recording in 1 pixel and 30 frames per second, and when I am recording a 4K video, it is very difficult to editing, and I have to do the rendering and all. So right now I am going at 90 km speed. I don't know how my voice is recording or not. Hopefully it will be good. Last time when I went for this Gandikota trip, so that time my mic pin is connected properly, so that time no voice is recorded. one beautiful field. After a long gap, I'm going to actually I took this bike from last 1 month or not 1 month, 2 months, 2 weeks onwards. I didn't take this bike, just I'm going in car for any work. Just now done with the photo shoot. Now I'm returning back to the home. I'll go home and edit this video and edit these photos and upload in today's late night. That means tomorrow early morning 2:30 a.m. That's about this video. And if you like this video, please share this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Well guys, today's photo shoot is done. I will edit the pictures and video and I will upload this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like my videos and share my videos and comment below how this video and all. And I will catch you guys in the next video.